There and hi everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make handmade tap tap noodles. Tap tap noodle is like a little Chinese style. So it's without fried noodles. So I'm going to show you how to make. So it's very easy and delicious also. So let's get started how to make. I hope you guys will try this recipe. First, I'm going to add flour. Next, we need 1 cup water. Now dough is done. Now I'm going to apply just oil. And leave it for 30 minutes. For water and just add a little bit of salt. Okay, water is boiling. Now I'm going to add bok choy. Boil for a few minutes. Now it's done. Now I'm going to put in cold water. Now let's make the noodles. Here I'm going to boil. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's done. Now I'm going to strain the water. Now I'm using olive oil. Now I'm going to add the noodles. Look at my noodles. Next, I'm going to add bok choy. Next, I'm going to add garlic. Chili. I'm going to put half teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add soy sauce. One teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add this is vinegar. Add just a little bit black pepper. This is Tibetan black pepper. I'm going to add Elma. Pinch of salt. Finally, I'm going to add sesame seed, just a little bit. And my oil is done. For extra flavor, I'm going to add fenugreek seed. I love this smell. So, this is optional. Now I'm going to put here. You don't need to put all the oil. I just put just half and mix it. I hope you guys will like this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and below. So let me know how it is. And thank you for watching my video, and we'll